Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and welcome back to another Plantita video. And for today's video, you will see our philodendron millinoni as we take her to her new home. Unfortunately, I had to let her go since sobrang laki na niya and our garden is too small for her. And for those of you who are interested about aglaonemas, let me show you some tips on how to take care of it, and let me take you where I got it for free. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon beside it so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you are interested, then keep on watching. Good morning! Ayan, kinukuha na niya. Sobrang bigat na niyan kasi sobrang laki na. And as per buyer's term, no price haggling as long as we will deliver it right at their doorstep. And as you can see guys, he's gasping for his breath kasi sobrang bigat na nito. And ang usapan namin around 9:30 to 10 kasi may lakad pa siya before that time. And hindi niya tatanggapin pag hindi niya nagustuhan ang itsura. So, tingnan lang natin. Special shout out to my brother who will do the driving. Thank you so much, Bawe. Just an FYI, today is a Sunday and I may not be able to edit it right away and to upload it. Since balik trabaho na, medyo busy na, I'll just find some time to squeeze it in. And here with us again, it's JM. So, ayan, we're on the way. Actually guys, we have 4 millinonis in all. We have one huge na nakita nyo dun sa plant tour, and then we still have a young one. Ito, tsaka may isa pa yung sinave ko na muntik nang mamatay. Anyway guys, we're from Bohol, so hindi po talaga ako magaling mag-Tagalog, and I'm just trying to speak English to make this vlog more friendly and universal, especially for those of you who are not from this country but still chose to watch our videos. Thank you so much, we really appreciate that. And flex ko lang, sobrang dami ng mga wild dumb cane dito. And for those of you who wants to have this, sabi ng may-ari, well, I'm not sure if it's the owner of the land, but according to him, you can take as many as you can. So we're just waiting here, and I'm not sure how long will it take kasi yung asawa ko yung nakikipag-usap sa customer namin. And as planned, since the place is within the area, I will be visiting a friend. He's not selling his plants. Ang dami niyang rason. So, let's see if pwede na ba tayong makahingi. Hihingi na lang ay ibenta eh. Ba't pipilitin? And hey, ZZ lovers! It's here! Baka pwedeng pumuto lang din kayo dito since pwede naman dun sa dumpkin. And no matter what type of road, as long as it will lead us to the right destination, I don't care. We'll just walk. Kasi malapit nga lang. So, iniwan namin sila doon. Nakaparking lang yung sasakyan. And for those of you who know where is this, you may comment down below. Baka familiar tong lugar na to. So, we're heading to the destination. The target destination. And then you just have to turn right. At the end, you have to turn left. I don't know guys, if I will be the one who will give you the direction, I'm not sure if you'll get it. So yan, all for the free aglaonemas. The target aglaonemas, I will go there. So we're almost there. And ayan, this is the place. So we're finally here. Diba, sobrang dami and sobrang tataba, sobrang healthy nila. These are the golden fluorites that he has. Oh, sobrang gaganda ng collection niya. And he also has the two-tone moonstone. So, my God. So, ito talaga yung gusto ko ngayon. Yung target ko. And since hindi niya binibenta, hingi natin. Since we're here, I will take the opportunity to show you around and give you a quick tour of his collection of philodendron millinoni. So, ito yung one side pa lang nito ha. Meron na siyang tatlong malalaki. And he's not selling this, guys. Long before the plant hype, sobrang crowded na sila ng mga pananim na ganito. And sobrang lalaki na. And it's his mom's collection, by the way. However, since she passed away, sabi niya siya daw yung nagpatuloy ng pag-aalaga nito. They're all big and most of them are ready for propagation. However, I don't know why he hasn't propagated it yet. But I'm pretty sure that time lang yung kailangan mapopropagate na to. Talagang sobrang ganda nila pero unfortunately not for sale for those collectors who want to buy this. Pilitin nyo siya. Message nyo ko. I've been here so many times before, but I didn't have the chance to appreciate this beauty because hindi pa siguro ako into plants at that time. Look how big the rainforest is. Diba? Matangkad to si JM. Parang, ewan ko, mas matangkad pa to sa akin. Pero tingnan nyo, mas matangkad pa yung rainforest. And let's hop right into the tricolor. As you can see, sobrang lalaki na nila. This is where my husband took the picture with a pop eye. So ayan, ipapakita ko na lang, flash ko na lang yung picture dito. And also the collection of Wave of Love, yung mga plumanii. Tingnan nyo, sobrang dami na. And as you can see, parang ang tatanda na nila. Laki na ng curl ng mga leaves nila. And some of them may bunga na, meaning ready for propagation na. So, sayang nga lang, hindi binibenta. Nagpunta na kami dito para bumili pero ayaw niya. And you heard it right. He will just give it for free. It rings a bell pag sinabing free. He requested not to show his face, maybe because he has his own reasons. So, huwag na nating ungkatin. Story na namin yun. So, ayan, hindi siya nagpapakita but makikita talaga siya. Makikita. So, ayan. Kukuha na siya. I don't know how many yung ibibigay niya. Pero since sobrang dami ng mga nakalagay or sobrang dami sa isang pot, let's just see how many. And guys, this is a tip for those plantitas who does not have enough budget for those expensive plants. You may ask from your friends. Meron naman talagang friends na kahit mabunganga, generous pa rin. So tingnan nyo, ang laki ng mayoy niya. Sobrang laki ng philodendron mayoy niya. Actually, nakahingi na ako nito last August, and sobrang laki. Hindi ko na-expect na meron pa pala dito sa likod. As in, sobrang nag-climb na sobrang epiphyte talaga to. Nag-climb na sa tree. Let's check out some more. Ito yung variegated damkin niya. Actually, napakita ko na sa houseplant tour yung binigay niya. Napalaki ko na ngayon. Last August pa yon. Ito yung dragon fruit niya. And also guys, he has the Sansevieria. I'm not sure if this is a Sansevieria. You may comment down below. And this one, I don't know this. Please do comment that down below. Kasi meron din naman siya mga halaman na hindi ko kilala. Ito sobrang lalaki ng Wave of Love niya. And ito is the family of Sansevieria as well. Tama ba ako? So ayun guys, pauwi na kami and don't worry, nag-thank you na kami, nagpasalamat na kami, pati na rin kay tatay, yung papa niya, for granting a favor to the certified no-budget plantitas. So we're heading back home and we will plant this right away once we reach home. So ayun, meron pang mga binibentang pananim dito na daanan, di na kami nag-stop. So we're now preparing the potting mix for our aglaonemas, our free aglaonemas, and then nagpe-prepare lang tayo ng coconut husk that will be put at the base of the pot. Take note that you can put them indoors since they purify the air and they are really super easy to grow. Once you put them inside your home, they can thrive at low to medium light. Their stem is actually watery and they absorb water, so medium watering lang yung kailangan para hindi siya mag-rot. I haven't paid much attention to these plants since they are not high maintenance. They do not require much attention from you as long as you are putting them in a good potting mix and you have a good watering schedule. Since we're almost done preparing the coconut husk and also the coconut fibers that will be placed at the bottom of the pots, let's just see how many pots can we make out of those. And we prepared 4 pots. Let's just see. Flex ko lang ang vermicompost. For those of you who might want to save money from buying vermicast, you can also grow this at home. According to my sister, sobrang dali lang, madali daw tong mabuhay and mabilis dumami. Actually, this is her 3rd time na mag-harvest. I don't know, 2nd or 3rd time na mag-harvest ng vermicast from this mga uod. I don't know, if you can, then you can grow your own. Pero ako nagtitiis na lang akong bumili kasi hindi ko pa kaya rin. Not now, maybe soon. And this is the finished product, the harvested vermicast. Nakakainggit pag nakikita mong ganito na wala na yung uod. And this is the sawdust. We will also be using this. And guys, refrain from using fresh sawdust because they're very acidic and they might harm your plants. Guys, this will serve as our potting mix. Don't worry, this isn't a fresh sawdust. So, parang nawala na yung mga acid niya kasi months ago na to mula nung makuha. Medyo nag-rot na din siya. And we'll just add some vermicast. Enough na to, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng garden soil. And this will be our potting mix for our aglaonemas. Don't worry, they're super easy to grow and they will thrive even if we do not put some garden soil in it. So, ayan guys. This is our first pot. So, ganyan lang. Lagyan na lang ng additional na vermicast as organic fertilizer, and we'll just leave it this way, and in a few days magkakaroon na siya ng konting mga ugat. Guys, you may grow aglaonemas through water propagation. However, you may also try this one in which ilalagay mo na lang siya dito para diretso na. I have tried this, although medyo nalanta yung dahon, but when I decided to transfer to another pot, nagre-recover pa lang pala siya, meron na siyang ugat na tumubo. And sobrang bilis lang, in less than a week naka-recover na siya, and meron na siyang mga ugat. So, super easy lang. You can always try this at home, especially if you're just starting out and you want to plant, you want to learn how to plant. Kasi ako guys, as I remember, this is the very first plant that I planted in our own garden. I don't know if I have mentioned to you that it's really my husband who does the planting. Ako nanonood lang. Ako yung nag-film, ako yung nag-video, nag-i-edit. But along the journey, I also learned to love plants and I tried it in my own ways. Nagpa-plant na rin ako. Kaya nagplant ako ng aglaonema. That is the very first time that I started planting houseplants. Akala ko noon yung may green thumb lang kasi sabi nila marunong yan magtanim kasi may green thumb. So akala ko sila lang yung marunong magtanim. And when I tried, I know I don't have the green thumb, but my aglaonema thrived, and ngayon meron na siyang mga shoots. Ang cute na nila, so lumaki na sila. So kahit hindi green thumb, kaya mong magtanim. And since this one is a bit longer than the other, so we cut this para maging dalawa. O, tingnan nyo, imbes na isa lang, dalawa na siya ngayon. So we just have to plant this and then we'll plant the bottom. So instantly magiging dalawa na siya. So ayan guys, we're almost done and I'm so happy that you made it till the end of this video. Medyo napahaba na. This has been Maria, the voice of Plantzilla Bohol. Thank you for being with me today. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button beside it so you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. If you also love these kind of plants, you may comment down below. And please do comment your suggestions what to do on our next video. Bye guys! Thank you so much for watching!